In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and compress videos using Canva. As you embark on this creative journey with me, you'll find the process straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you can easily optimize your video content for any platform. First things first, you need to open your Canva document. Start by logging into your Canva account and navigating to the specific project you're working on. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't created a document yet, you can simply start a new project by selecting a template that suits your needs. Once your document is open, you'll be ready to proceed with editing your video. Now let's dive into selecting the video you want to resize and compress. Look through your Canva document and find the video you intend to work with. It's usually straightforward as you click through your project elements. Once you've identified the video, you're ready to start with resizing, which is often the first step before considering compression. To resize your video, you'll want to focus on the crop functionality. Direct your attention to the upper middle part of your Canva interface, and you'll see the crop option nestled right beside the flip tool. Click on crop, and you will be presented with a variety of aspect ratio options. This is where your creative choice comes in. Whether you are resizing for Instagram stories, YouTube, or your website, choose an aspect ratio that perfectly fits your platform's requirements. The cropping tool is intuitive, allowing you to adjust your video's frame with ease, ensuring your content is well framed and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with the resizing, it's time to move on to compressing your video. Compressing is key to reducing the video's file size, making it more manageable for uploading and sharing, especially if your internet speed is a concern. Here's how to do it. Simply click on the Share button located at the upper right corner of your Canva interface. This is your gateway to saving and distributing your content. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Here, you'll see an option to adjust the quality of your video. Lower the quality settings to compress your file size. Don't worry about losing too much detail. Most of the time, a slight reduction in quality isn't noticeable, especially if you're optimizing for web use. And that's it. You've now successfully resized and compressed your video. Canva makes it incredibly easy to execute these essential tasks, ensuring your video projects meet your requirements with minimal fuss. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial, and I hope you're now ready to optimize all your video projects seamlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore these tools, the more proficient you'll become.